All right, fellas. A little bit of a risky evolution, particularly for Andy to get him down there on that small ledge, and a bit of a risk for the survivor as well. But I don't see any other way of getting this guy off of here, so we're the only solution. I really feel like. So a bit of a high risk evolution, but the gain is definitely there. Does everybody feel the same?
Agreed.
Agreed.
Rescue checklist is complete. Ready for one direct deployment of the rescue swimmer to the survivor below. Swimmer's outside. Load check complete. Swimmer's going down.
Roger.
Sector over.
Easy right. Hold. Sector 6029, stand by. Quick drop is around him and he's just getting over.
Roger. So I climb just a little bit, Blair. I'm just going to hold here.
Roger. Have ready for pickup.
Roger.
Easy right.
Roger.
Rest your back. Easy right. Easy right.
Roger.
Easy right. Hold. Ready to take the load.
Got a left drift, correct.
Taking the load. Swimmer and survivor are clear the rocks. Clear to move back as required. Outside cabin door. And coming inside.
Yep.
Swimmer and survivor inside.
Roger.
And just getting everything. Taking inside, getting this guy.
Okay, we're just going to do kind of a nice slow forward air taxi
Voice
here.
complete.
Roger.